Friends, good morning. I am making few videos today in a different language, English, Bengali, and not in Hindi, only English and Bengali. My name is Shamal. So I lost my parents on 8th May. My mother died because of COVID on 15th May. My father, he also died because of COVID. So I live in Mumbai. My native place is there in West Bengal. Place called Midnapur district. It is 40 kilometers away from Kharagpur IIT. So IIT is a very famous institute. That's why I told the location. So my purpose of making this video are many. I have certain suggestion to government because of COVID-19. Whatever deaths are occurring, the distribution of body, the policies government has taken as per COVID norms. I have certain reservation or certain suggestions towards the body and also vaccination process and many other associated things I have tried to present, and I am speaking on my own capacity, and probably if government can consider those proposals so that it can give little sense of understanding of human life, the values, and also how to check or to understand COVID-19 virus. I have certain things to say whether it is artificial or natural virus and what are the precautions required. This is a long video including one of my poetry that I have written 30 years back. It is written in Bangla. I have predicted there will be a kind of biological war is going to come because world has seen the nuclear war. Now it's a time has come for this biological war. What is going on? I have tried to analyze those things in my video. I have many more videos are there. If anybody wants to see, probably one can Google it. My Mind Lab, Dr. Espal, My Mind Lab. I have plenty of things to talk about COVID-19 virus. Please get into my talk. Probably it will be much better for your understanding. Again, thank you very much. Please follow my things like what I have mentioned. Thank you very much. Hello friends, good morning. কবিতার নাম না বলা সময়ের কাছে। কবিতাটি আমার কবিতার বই থেকে নেওয়া। This poetry was taken from my poetry book which I have written 32 years back. I'll tell you what is the relevance of this poetry today. Today my parents are no more. কবিতার নাম না বলা সময়ের কাছে। First let me read out this poetry, then I will explain. কবিতাটি আমার কবিতার বই শিল্পীর চোখে ঘুম নেই থেকে নেওয়া। পৃষ্ঠা নম্বর 19। না বলা সময়ের কাছে। হয়তো ছেঁড়া তার তানপুরোয় বাঁধলে সুর আসবে। যে সুর আসুক না কেন সুর আসবে অন্য লয়ে। বাতাস জানুক না জানুক, আকাশ মানুক না মানুক, সুর আসবে। বাতাস কি জানে বেদনার কথা, আকাশ কি জানে ভালোবাসার কথা, নীল পাখি কি জানে সৃষ্টির কথা। কেউ জানুক না জানুক, না বলা সময়ের কাছে ব্যস্ত থাক আমাদের কথা। শ্মশানের পথে দুঃখের মরার সাথে তুলনা করা চলে আমাদের এই সময়ের কথা। বইতে হবে বলে দলা পাকানো ক্ষোভে বয়ে চলেছি পরিচিত অপরিচিত কানা গলিতে। আমাদের ভালোবাসা আজও লুকিয়ে আছে রাজপথের ধুলোয় বিদায় ও শ্রুতে। হয়তো আবার ছেঁড়া তার তানপুরায় বাঁধলে সুর আসবে, হয়তো আবার ছেঁড়া তার তানপুরোয় বাঁধলে সুর আসবে। Friends, today my parents are no more. আমার বাবা মা কেউ বেঁচে নেই। আমি এই কবিতাগুলো পড়ছি। আমার বাবা মা 8 মেতে মারা গেলেন কোভিডে, 15 মেতে বাবা মারা গেলেন। সো দুজনে অনেক সুস্থ ছিলেন। চলে যাওয়ার কারণ আমি এখনো বুঝতে পারিনি। কিন্তু আমার সবচেয়ে যেটা দুঃখের জিনিস হলো যে কোভিডের জন্য I live in Mumbai, and when আমি যখন এই খবরটা পেলাম তখন আমি বাড়ি যাওয়ার জন্য বাবার শেষ আর মায়ের শেষ যেটা বলে পার্থিব শরীর যেটাকে বলে দেখার জন্য আমারও ইচ্ছে ছিল। কিন্তু কোভিডের যে নর্মসগুলো এখন হয়েছে সেই নর্মসে তোমাকে ডেড বডি কাউকে দিচ্ছে না, because they feel that this body, because if you are dying because of COVID and this body can spread COVID, so it cannot be given or you cannot take that body to your respective native place. And initial days, like normal, we belong to a Hindu family. In rituals we usually burn the body by using the woods, the trees. I have seen in my family, or this is the ritual, like you cut a tree and try to burn the body close to your house, in the riverside and all those things. That is a very, very common thing. We have seen it. The point what I want to make over here, during COVID time, government has made a policies that number one, the body cannot be given and directly they take and they have their own electrical machine, what you call the electrical chulla. So they do with a lot of protection, they do it. It is good that they do that. But I was going through some literature. It is mentioned that if a body can be kept for 2 to 3 days in isolation with low temperature, যদি ওটাকে একটা লো টেম্পারেচারে বডিটাকে প্রিজার্ভ করে রাখা হয়, 2 দিন 3 দিনের মধ্যে যে কোভিড ভাইরাস যদি থাকে ওটার অটোমেটিক্যালি ওগুলো মারা যায়। কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে যে সিন্স ইট ইজ এ কোভিড টাইম, আমার মনের মধ্যে 2-3টে প্রশ্ন জেগে উঠেছে। নাম্বার 1, সরকার ওটাকে বডিটাকে জ্বালিয়ে দিচ্ছে উইথিন 2-3 hours, just taking whatever paper signature formalities, they take the body out. But যে ইমোশনাল অ্যাটাচমেন্টগুলো একটা মা বাবা বা কোনো আত্মীয় চলে যাওয়া, যে ইমোশনাল অ্যাটাচমেন্ট যেগুলো থাকে সেগুলো কিন্তু অনেক দিনের। সেগুলো প্রত্যেকটা ফ্যামিলি বুঝতে পারে যে তার বাবা মা তার ক্লোজেস্ট রিলেটিভদের কাছ থেকে কিভাবে করছে। এটা অবভিয়াস ডিউটি হিসেবে আসে সেই বডি নিয়ে তার অন্ত্যেষ্টি করা, এটা একটা নর্মাল রীতি। নাও এতদিনের হাজার বছরের ট্র্যাডিশনকে আমরা হিন্দু শাস্ত্রের ট্র্যাডিশনটাকে ডেভিয়েট করে বিকজ অফ করোনা আমরা এটা করছি, কতটা ভালো করছি বা কতটা খারাপ করছি সেটা বলার আছে। অ্যাটলিস্ট আমার মনে হয় একটা অপশান থাকা উচিত সরকারের পক্ষ থেকে টু প্রিজার্ভ দ্য বডি wherever the cremation center, like if somebody wants to claim the body, that option to be given. Should not be the ultimate option that they are going to do the rituals. We understand all those things. আমার যেটা কথা বলার উদ্দেশ্য হলো বডিকে না দেওয়া, কোনো কোভিডে মারা যাওয়ার পরে সেই বডিটাকে না দেওয়াটা কতটা ঠিক আর কতটা ভুল, সমাজের অ্যাঙ্গেলে ব্যাপারটা যদি দেখা যায়, ওর মধ্যে প্রপার স্যানিটাইজেশন করে প্রপার প্রিজার্ভেশন করে যদি বডিটাকে রাখা যায় আফটার 3 days, ফ্রিজিং ফেসিলিটিস সেগুলো করে যদি বডিটাকে দেওয়া যায়, আমার মনে হয় যে ইমোশনাল ব্যাপারগুলো থাকে, যে রিচুয়ালসগুলো থাকে, সেটা ফ্যামিলি দায়িত্বের উপর ছেড়ে দেওয়া অনেকটা ভালো। আফটার ডুইং অল দ্য ফর্মালিটিস, দ্যাট ইজ হোয়াট আই ওয়াজ ট্রাইং টু টেল। ভারতবর্ষে মানুষ যে কোভিডের মধ্য দিয়ে যাচ্ছে, যে মৃত্যুগুলো হচ্ছে, এগুলো খুবই দুঃখজনক। কিন্তু একটা জিনিস তো করাই যেতে পারে, আমার মনে হয় না এটা করাটা খুব একটা কঠিন। হোয়াট ইউ নিড, -10-15 degree freezer, this is easily available, so that body can be preserved and government can charge whoever. I'm not telling, it is the declaration. If I want to have my body, somebody's my parents' body, there are option to be given that for preservation whatever charges are there, যেটুকু চার্জ লাগে ওটাকে দেওয়া যেতে পারে, গভর্নমেন্ট চার্জ করতে পারে, so that at least we believe something, that আমরা যেটা বিলিভ করি যে আত্মার শান্তি, সেগুলো একটা মনের ব্যাপার, এগুলো কিছুই নয়। আফটার ডেথ, আই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড বিং এজ এ সায়েন্স স্টুডেন্ট, there is nothing absolutely after death. Your body is supposed to be decomposed. I have read many things how the body is been decomposed. There are many process based on the religion, rituals, they do it. So I am not getting into that topic. My only submission is government should not be unidirectional in deciding that, okay, this person has died because of COVID and it is the property of government, means you are hurrying up to, once you decompose or in high temperature you charge, means you are trying to kill the body as well as the virus. I understand that, so I have that sense, but that option, again telling you charge please, but that option to be given, so those options to be made available. Otherwise those are few emotional things and emotional outbursts, and it will be remaining the mind that we could not do the last rituals of our parents. That is applicable to my both mother and my father. I'm sorry to tell all those things because I analyze everything very critically. It is not superficially analyzing, because when I am speaking, means there is a meaning, because this COVID is going to be here for another, nobody knows. So I made many things, many videos. So I am speaking because it is my emotional outburst to analyze the whole thing. So government probably can think of having those facilities. Please charge, people have money. I have many things I have told in my videos. In India is a lot of diversity. People are having money. People are having so much money in the world. Richest person. There are millionaires, billionaires. There are middle class people. They have many things they can afford to have. Those small things, if they have given that opportunity, number one. Number two, I am talking about the COVID related vaccine. Government should not be in a business of giving free of cost to do anything. I always, in childhood, I used to say that if I am a beggar, total world population that time 70, 80, 90 lakhs to and 90 crore. If everybody is giving me 1 rupee, I will have 70, 80 crores if it is a population of 80 crores. If everybody is giving me 1 rupee, I am a rich person by taking 1 rupee. This talk I made because there are a lot of beggars in Mumbai or any places or any temple. They beg. They ask 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees. At the end of the day, if you collect all this money, it becomes a big amount for the person who is collecting. For you, that 5 rupees might be very less. You feel okay, I gave 5 rupees. Like that, at the end of the day, this fellow, like 300, 400 people is giving 5 rupees. You can imagine how much money this fellow is collecting. I have seen in Mumbai a beggar, a poor man is dying in footpath in his bag inside close to 15, 20 lakhs rupees he has accumulated through begging. So begging is a profession. There are many people that taking in Western world also. There are many places. You might see that lot of news that is coming. People are having big building. They go for begging. So it's very easy way of doing it. I am not getting into that part. Talking to the COVID part, I talked about vaccination, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees. What we are talking about, if you want to buy a shoe, a decent shoe, it is costing 3000, 4000 rupees. Upper limit, that is extreme, probably you can buy a shoe for 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs rupees. A burger is costing 500 rupees if two-person has to eat. We are talking about a vaccination to make it free. Everybody can afford. I made a plan, but a vision that please make the availability of those vaccines. The people are ready to take care at least 500 rupees. Imagine at my home we are 4 people. If you are charged 1000 rupees, 4000 rupees, my servant and other, let's say another add up 2 people who were domestic work, they are not afford to, they are not capable to do that. To save the life, voluntarily we can pay that money. That heart probably in India, many people are having the way I am thinking. So now, if you see a government is spending money for 150 crores by importing all those things, making free. It is not literally free because this money, where is this money will come? It is again taxpayer money directly, indirectly. You are making it available. It will be taxed. Rather than doing that, you distribute the load among the people. How to distribute the load, that is important. Each one can pay whatever price is decided. Only thing, government should make sure the availability of vaccine, that is the main thing. There are many schemes. If somebody is government employee, they can get the reimbursement, right? There are a lot of government scheme is there through Jan Dhan and all those things for the poor people. they also get benefit. That money can be directly transferred to them. Probably one has to see that our class system, how many, what is the percentage of rich, middle class, lower middle class, or upper middle class who can afford. There are 15-20% people, they are working for private companies, so they can get reimbursement from the companies. My point is very simple, so that like Bengal government is facing problem, where is this so much money? Now the question is 8, 9, 10 crores people has to be vaccinated. If Bengal government or anybody has to buy those vaccines and all, take the collective burden. Each people can, each citizen of India can participate in this thing, and they can get the reimbursement also. It is not that they are not getting reimbursement. Lot of government employees, they get medical facilities. Put that bill, company, whoever it is, put that bill. Company is going to take care. There is no problem. It's not a big money we are talking about. Question of 2-3 meals, right? Only thing, the vaccines would be available. Government should take whatever necessary things are required for procurement of vaccines. Friends, I am not getting into the complexity of the subject. A society's load, like a building, the load bearing, okay, it is not a single leg is taking the whole load. You have to distribute the load across the society. There are NGOs, there are good people who are ready to give for 10 people free of cost vaccination. There are people. If I am thinking in that direction, probably many people might be thinking in the similar direction. It's a high time, critical time to think and not to do politics. To be very honest with you, I am not a political person. My approach is very rational. Very rational. If, let's say, if 10 friends are going to a restaurant, I have seen in many countries, like, CEO comes, I'll come back to you. So I thought in Indian context, like, you take your friend to a restaurant, it becomes your duty to pay for the bills. I had gone to UK and Germany. The CEO of the company, the owner of the company, we are in the same place. So he takes his purse, he pays for it. I was thinking probably he will pay for me, but he has not paid me. It had happened to me. I was surprised in India. Same situation, you won't find it. The question or point what I want to make here, they're very practical. Same practical things to be applied here. Now imagine that I'm taking 10 friends in a restaurant. So I am calling everybody, means it's my moral responsibility to take care everybody's bill. Well, on day-to-day basis, you go to restaurant, each one pays their bills. It is not necessarily that I have to pay for 10 people, right? Okay, if it is my birthday or any celebration, it's a good thing I'm doing it. Probably I can do that. That is once in blue moon, we do it. I was speaking in English because sometimes I'm confused in India. I have command over three language: Bengali, English, and Hindi. So sometimes I wonder that which language I should communicate so everybody understand what I am speaking. That's why sometimes I punch few Bengali words and keep on continuing few Bengali sentence. আমার এটা বলার উদ্দেশ্য হলো যে দেখো, খুব সিম্পল জিনিস, ফ্যামিলি, তোমার বাবা মা ভাই বোন সবাই আছে। এই প্যান্ডেমিক সময় অনেক কিছু সময়ে যেগুলো হয়, মানুষ মারা যায়, চেষ্টা করো অনেক কিছু করার জন্য, কিন্তু মানুষেরও ইচ্ছে থাকে যে কতগুলো জিনিস, যে তুমি বডি পাবে কিনা। সরকার যদি ইউনিল্যাটারাল ওয়েতে ডিসিশন নিয়ে যায় যে বডি দেওয়া হবে না, আমার সেই নিয়েই এতগুলো কথা বলা। যেমন আমার বাবা মা মারা গেলেন, they are all 85, 90s. Can you imagine that how many years, কত বছরের ভালোবাসা থাকলে আমরা তাদের ছেলে সরকারের নিয়মের জন্য কিন্তু আমরা বডিগুলো পাচ্ছি না। কিন্তু সায়েন্টিফিক্যালি এইগুলোকে একটা ছোট ব্যবস্থা করা যেতে পারে। তুমি যারা ক্লেম করতে চায় তাদের জন্য এই ব্যবস্থাগুলোকে রাখা যেতে পারে থ্রু এ ফ্রিজিং সিস্টেম। আফটার 3 days that body can be given, so that at least যে বায়োলজিক্যাল সাইকেলটা আছে, যে রিচুয়ালসের, obviously biological cycle mean they are also doing the same thing, but it's a different way of understanding the whole thing. You are doing the rituals, or you are taking your parents, taking it to the burning heart and doing it, and in a professional people are doing it. For them it's a dead body. Dead body is a dead body. For them they do it. They do not have that kind of emotions, passion. I understand. My family member probably they will understand. So this is a very emotional thing, emotional video I am making, because this corona virus, those dates, how long this will continue and how this will be impacted in society. It is not only death is, I am aware about the death, that death is going to happen. That is accepted principally. So I am not denying those facts. But after death, the body, a family member is not able to claim. And I talked about the vaccine. আমি যেটা ভ্যাকসিনের কথা বললাম, people can afford, people have money, they go to a film in a particular place to watch a movie. Nowadays you need 500 rupees. To buy one wine bottle you need 1,000 rupees. During COVID time, people are there in Bengal, Delhi, all the places who are crying for money. They have money for wine, alcohol, not 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 1,000, 2,000 rupees. I know many people, they spend thousands of rupees for those things. India is a nice country. I've been telling this story that India is a beautiful country. Here everybody wants to have free. But in their personal life, save your life, you cannot spend 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees. No, this is not accepted. I request government of India to immediately not get into this free business. While you are buying, probably you can pay your money, but whatever counter, wherever it may be, please charge. Please charge. People are ready to pay money. Even 60, 70, 80% people are also ready to pay money. Maybe 30% people who are poor. For that you have many schemes, I told you. You can do that. So friends, I am not getting into, there are two issues I have addressed. Only thing, government should make the availability of those vaccine. I have taken the first vaccine, that is gone. Now almost 3 months, I'm not able to take my second vaccine because there is no availability of vaccine. I understand those things. So I am 45 plus. So it is started around 40-50 days back. It is more than 2 months now. My due date, it was almost 3 weeks gone down the line. My father-in-law, my wife, she is also going through the same thing. So there is no vaccine. And vaccine jodi na paoya jay, from where you are going to inject? So system, even if I have money, I cannot do anything. So my request and submission is government should think those small policy can be changed totally. Finally, it is the state money. How and which way we use it, we need to see it. Or directly, indirectly, it will be taxed to us because government has no other source. It is obvious. So let us pay from your pocket. After that, you get reimbursement from whichever source it is required. Once again, thank you very much for hearing me out. And I've been speaking because my parents are no more. I'm not principally accepted that they have died. That's why I've been doing a lot of things. I have so many videos, live videos of my parents, and I have taken in different times. I usually see those videos. So I feel they're still here. Whenever I feel bored or mentally disturbed, I open the video as if I am communicating with my parents. That is a great feeling what I feel it. So mentally I am okay with that. There is no problem. That's why what is important to keep those memories alive, even if they are not there. It is fine. Let them be wherever they are. So, friends, my request those to think government, whatever they want to extract, please they extract. I have raised my open voice in many occasions. So, I am not here to change the society, but I can always give little sense of understanding because I am also part of the society. I can understand the feeling of the people in what lane they can go or what lane they can afford. So, again, thank you very much for hearing this small video. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks a lot.